My name is Niall Hughes. I'm 29. I started going bald when I was about 24. So maybe around last year, I looked into see what different ways I could see into having a hair transplant done. I contacted and checked on the Ailesbury clinic website to see. It's very helpful. Most of the questions I had in my head were answered straight away.
Today with Niall, we're going to place about 3,500 hairs. We're going to take them from the back of the head and we will place them on the top, on the front and on the back. We're going to use local anesthetic, and after that you will feel no pain. This is a very painless procedure. It's going to last about 6-7 hours. This procedure is for all ages. Usually the ages that they are doing this procedure are from 20 years old till 65 years old. The results are lasting forever, and this is something which makes them to feel very confident.